Going underwater, guys.
Yep, he's about to stick the GoPro.
Wait, do it right there.
Touch it, Aubrey.
Let me film it.
It hugs you, tries to.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at the beach, as you can tell by back there.
Yeah, just look at it. Just look at it.
Nice sandcastle, buddy.
And there's seagulls over there.
Very good.
But we're gonna go. So right now we just took a little break from driving, but we're gonna go get food, and then we're gonna go explore
Well,
more.
we're gonna explore these tide pools.
Yeah, Tyler.
So today's episode's about tide pools.
Yeah.
We found some tide pools. They're over here. We're gonna go check it out. There we go, sand blowing everywhere. We gotta make it quick. The tide's coming in. Check this out real quick. It's gonna be a short episode. Very cool. Don't touch anything until you ask me about it, okay?
Can I touch this? What's that? Can I touch this? Is this coral?
No, that's the tide pools. That's all the stuff on it. You see something cool?
I think I found sea anemones. Look.
Hey, don't fall on these crustaceans. Yeah, you found some anemones.
Aubrey! We found anemones! And what? Can I put my finger in it?
No, show
They're
me
going
where
in the
they're
water. Right there. Can I put my finger in it?
See if I can get it to focus. That's
Aubrey!
pretty cool. No, don't touch them. I don't know if they're poisonous. Look at all this sea stuff, guys.
Aubrey!
No, don't touch any of that.
Aubrey! We found sea anemones!
There we go.
Sea anemones!
Very cool. Hey, don't fall on this. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm gonna go that way. Ow.
Don't fall, Buki. It'll cut you up. Here, Aiden. I found a bunch. No, look at right there. There's a ton of sea anemones right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Aubrey! Sea anemones!
Tyler, get away from the water.
Yeah, this is the perfect one for your GoPro.
Let's go find another one. That's
Aubrey,
where we're gonna go. Okay, and let's film this episode real quick. The tide's coming in.
Right here, Josh. Right here.
Oh man.
Stick your GoPro in.
Giant tide pool. I don't see anything cool in it. Let's go look at this one over here.
You can just get cool underwater shots.
Yeah, we'll get some underwater shots right over here, I think. Oh, careful.
But I have a good idea for one.
What?
Place it where it waves. You guys have to wait for a wave to hit it.
There's more over here. Check that one over there.
What?
Let's go up.
Hold on, it's flying with Dad. Oh, Dad, whoa. Right there.
Land, look at there. Oh, look, here's some big anemones, Hayden.
Aubrey, we found anemones. What's here? We found big anemones. Big anemone? No, an anemone. Can I stick my finger in
Here.
it?
You film. I'm gonna get the GoPro ready.
Okay. What if I drop
Where?
it?
Don't drop it.
Right
Wrap
there.
the thing around
Oh,
you.
We're gonna go. There's the dog over there. But we're gonna go down here. Ow, my hand. And we're gonna go around here. There's a rock. And over here. Okay. There's the ocean. But look, right here. Cool. Whoa, what is this? What
tide
if
pool.
I put my foot?
Don't.
Clean my shoes, Paul. Look at these cool clams. Clams. Right there. Clams.
What happens if you're bleeding from one of these?
And there's like coral or something.
soaking through the dam.
Hello.
Guys, look. It's actually soaking through the dam. It's going under.
Watch out. Move.
Heather.
No, move.
Ah!
What is that?
What?
Right there, that orange thing.
Corn
You see it?
Oh, this? I don't know what that is. I'm bleeding.
That's a cool thing.
I'm bleeding because of this coral.
Dad, we found a cool orange thing.
And look, regular sand.
Let's hop up. Let's look at this rock.
How'd you get up there?
Come on.
There we go.
I got it. I figured it out.
Cool rock.
I touched another sea anemone.
Alright, hold on. Let's get some underwater shots of the sea anemone. You ready?
Dad, have you touched it? Wait, Dad, are we going underwater?
We're going underwater, guys.
Yep, he's about to stick the GoPro.
Wait, do it right there.
Touch
Hold
it,
on.
Aubrey.
Let me film it.
It hugs you, tries to.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. It's really cute. Wait, are those sea urchins? No,
Alright, go touch that sea
it's gonna
anemone.
break, Dad.
Aubrey, watch out.
Ooh.
Whoa. It's really cute.
You guys see it?
Wait, are those sea urchins? No, it's a sea anemone. You should touch it. It hugs you. It's so cute.
I already got the shot of the orange.
Yeah, don't touch that. That might be poison. Hey, come on, get off of it. You're gonna get caught up on these barnacles.
Daddy, can you hold me? Jump down. Not gonna touch you.
Dad, can you help me
Dad, can I put it in the water?
Dad, can you help me down?
See what we can find in here. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's gonna break.
No, it's not. Let's go over here.
I already got your brownies.
Wait, Aiden, that's gonna break.
Jump.
Aiden, that's gonna break. Aiden, that's gonna break.
No, it's not. It's waterproof. Come on, let's look at this and then we're gonna go.
Dad, look. Oh, yeah, they hugged you. Did you touch one? Yeah, huh?
I don't see anything cool over here. There's
Just
people
do it.
over there.
Put it underwater. Come on, put it underwater.
Look in that little pool.
Very cool. Oh, right here.
Tyler, there's stuff that can sting you in tide pools, buddy.
Going under. Can I touch one?
Hey, we're better off going over here. Come on. Did you press the record button?
Yeah. Oh, there's one up there. I'm gonna go check that
No,
one.
come on. We gotta stay close to where we can get out of here if we need to.
He's over
This
there.
way, Buko.
I'm bleeding.
Look at the tide's already coming in over here.
The tide pools are
Get
like.
out of there, Vicky.
So I think when the ocean over there comes in, it fills up with water, but when the tide goes out, whatever's left right there gets stuck right there until high tide comes back in to wash it back out there.
The high tide's coming in right now.
Yeah.
So this weekend we got desert episode and beach. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Aubrey, you want to say something? Aiden, there's a little crab in here. Come bring that GoPro. Little baby crab.
Can I pick it up?
No, just stick the camera near it. Oh no!
When I landed. Aubrey, I need you to give me my shoe. It's like kind of like.
Alright, Aiden,
Aubrey, can you give me my shoe?
turn the camera on record.
No, I want to see the crab, not just see the shoe.
You see him there? Underneath the rock?
Where?
Press record. Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay,
That
stick
one
him in there. Stick it straight down.
Oh wait, that's
right
why.
Upside down. I can flip the video, but try to flip it around. Flip the thing around.
Like this?
Yeah, do you see him right there under the rock?
I see.
Oh,
it.
right there.
Yeah. Don't bash it into the rock, but try to film it.
You see that?
See him right there under the rock.
Right there?
Don't back into the rock, but try to film it.
You see that crab?
Maybe go from the other side.
I'm gonna try to move the rock. Aubrey, can you go get my shoe before it floats away?
Tyler, get out of there.
I wanna see the
Oh,
crab.
you scared him off. Now he's gone.
Maybe we can find him. Probably under that rock right there.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's go.
That's a frog.
Hey, Kylie, you can't get in the water.
Trying not to. That's where I slipped.
Okay, let's go. Press stop recording it. Okay, we will. Hold on. You want to say something about our merch?
Nice merch. It's
Buy our
comfortable.
merch.
It's
Where do you buy it?
I forgot the site.
DownToEarthOutfitters.com.
On deck.
And look, we're showing love to other YouTubers. We need some love back. You want to say something about our merch?
Just subscribe.
Here's another example of our merch.
Dad, would I be able to watch our videos from the GoPro?
Yeah, we can do that when we get back. Well, let's rinse the GoPro off with fresh water. All right, I'm turning the camera off. Anything you want to say?
No, but we're gonna go ahead to get lunch.